Hi, it's Dave with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida. And today, I'm really excited to share this with you guys. We got a new, to us, wheel manufacturer on board that we're carrying in the store. And they're just a really nice all-around wheel, really well designed. And the one thing that I really like is they offer a bunch of different colors for you guys. Not every manufacturer makes different colors, or you'll find a black or you'll find a red, and that's it. This company offers their wheels with a blue finish, a black finish, a red finish, and a gold finish, and then milled, and they offer a lot throughout their design line. So that's good for you guys because it's going to give you. Now, these are made by American Off-Road, who is owned by MRR Wheels, who makes a bunch of different wheels, and they make stuff for cars and all that. So we now have access to all that. So don't feel bad if you guys are watching this and you have something else. We can get you their wheels. So I want you guys to take a look. These are their 20 by 10 with a negative 24 offset, and these are called black and milled, and that means this area right here. They also offer this black and machine. They offer it in the colors, but really nice wheel. All their wheels will come and say DSF, and that's a dual stage forge. And that's like if you watch our wheel video where we talk about black rhino and compression forge, it's the same concept. They make the wheel, and then when they're doing the finishing, they're putting it under a lot of pressure to move the aluminum particles closer together, which gives you a stronger wheel overall. And that's why they make this wheel and a lot of their wheels. This is a 20 by 10. They also make a 20 by 12, and some wheels they're starting to get into 20 by 14s. They also make some 22s. So if you guys have any questions about them, we encourage you to call the shop, come and see us. We'll walk you through what they offer. But the finish on these wheels is top notch, really nice. I didn't see any blemishes in them. I opened up the box because I was kind of excited to see these. The milling is super nice. There's a nice protective coating on there. Now, if you guys buy these, you can also do some sort of ceramic coating if you're having some brake dust and you want to make them easier to clean. These can be ceramic coated. They did the nice little rivet detail here. Just a really nice looking wheel. Unfortunately, we can't put a link on our webpage for this company, but once again, call the shop, come in and see us. Now, he also put on the Yokohama Geolander X-ATs. These are 33 12.5 R20s, not a huge tire, but definitely bigger than factory. Now, if you look at these are an X-AT. What does that mean? They are more aggressive than a standard all-terrain tire, but they aren't as bad as a mud tire. Not that mud tires are bad, but they are known to make more noise. They're not as good if you live up in a colder climate. If you're looking at a tire, these will give you a little bit more grip, but some mud tires really don't do well in snow and cold, and they can slip. That's tire dependent. These are a good all-around tire. These also have a warranty, 45,000 miles. You will never see a warranty on a mud tire. But on these, you're gonna get a warranty, and these are gonna do nice in the rain. They're gonna do good on the highway. If you look, they got nice grooves to get mud or rain out of here. They're not gonna hold a lot of stones in these big openings. This customer also has the 3.5 inch rough country lift kit on there. So if you stand back and look at the truck, it's got a better stance. Now the rough country kit, there's a spacer on the top, there's a spacer on the bottom. It is a more involved kit just due to the design of the Silverado. Now, I will give you guys a word of advice, we'll say. If you are looking at aftermarket wheels and you have this body style Silverado, be very careful. They did change the brake calipers, and not all wheels are going to work without a spacer. These required a small spacer up front to bring the wheel out. And if you deal with us and you're going to order wheels, we'll check into that, and we can take care of making sure that your wheels are going to fit. But if you look, these stick out just a little bit. They're not crazy. You don't need a big set of fender flares. If you wanted to cover them, these are just going to be almost like a 2-inch fender flare. They're not going to be some huge thing hanging off the side of your truck. But also, if you don't, these aren't going to be so crazy that you're driving down the road and you can see a ton of it sticking out. You're gonna be worried going in parking lots. And just for reference, I'm gonna do what a lot of guys do in these wheel videos. We got $1 because I don't have a ton of money. But if you look at the lip, this is what you're gonna get. It's a little bit more than half of a dollar. It's about just almost $0.75. If you go with the bigger sizes, the 20 by 12s and 20 by 14s, that's going to bring this out more. But if you got a dollar in your pocket, it kind of gives you an idea. You're going to get about $0.75 or 20 or whatever. I only got a dollar, I'm poor. But just a real nice look. I really like these wheels. I encourage you guys to check them out. Call us. We can ship them anywhere in the country. So if this is something that you're looking for, a new brand or something different, like I said, colors is the big thing. We get a lot of requests for colors. Now we can offer it. We have a really good relationship with this company and getting products out. So all in all, just a really nice looking truck with the black paint, black wheels. Watch the other video. He did a nice air intake on this truck. And it's not specific, guys. Don't worry that it's on a Chevy. We're just showing you because we have a Chevy here. But this could very well be your Dodge or your Ford or your Toyota sitting here with a nice new set of wheels and tires, an intake. And it just makes you feel like you got a new truck without having to go spend 70 grand on a new truck just to feel better, but you still don't have any new parts on it. If you like the video, you like what we're doing here, click that like button. It means a lot to us, but it means a lot to the YouTube algorithm. Also, subscribe, please. We are so close. We're at about 10 away from reaching that magic number of 1,000 subscribers. And if you watch any of our other videos, Chris has already mentioned it. We're going to do a party down here in Florida for 1,000 subscribers. If you're a subscriber, you are more than welcome to come, hang out with us. We're going to have food, a bunch of fun stuff, and we're also giving away different prizes. Now, if you can't, there's going to be prizes for people online, but there's going to be separate prizes for people that actually come to the event. We just figured out that would be a good way to make it fair. So hit that subscribe. Now you're getting some details, parties, and giveaways and stuff. So we're gonna make it worth your while for helping us out and getting us to that point. So click that little button. I looked at it. A lot of you guys are watching videos, but you're not subscribed. If you like this, give us a like. Call the store if you want to do something like this on your truck, Jeep. If you have a car, we can get you wheels and tires for a car. So don't think we just do pickup trucks and Jeeps. We do anything. So give me or Chris a call at the store. Sometimes Buddy's here. He'll talk your ear off, but he's very knowledgeable and he'll answer the phone and talk to you. Have a nice day. Thanks.